Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to configure a VPN on your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. So, of course, we can configure VPN manually on Windows, just like on any other device, but manual VPN configuration is not very reliable, and it's not really functional as well. So, if you really want to use a good VPN, then you're gonna have to buy one with a subscription. The best VPNs are usually paid for, so I can recommend one of the popular ones. So we have the popular VPNs that are actually reliable are either the NordVPN, which you can download from NordVPN.com website, or if you don't like the NordVPN's price, you can also find and download Surfshark VPN, yeah, it also has a pretty reliable, very advertised after all, VPN. Or you can also use the unwanted, which is, I think, one of the best known for privacy protection, and it has a stable price. They never run any campaigns, any discount campaigns, so they have the static price. I think it was like $5 a month, and you just pay for subscription, and you can use the VPN as long as you're subscribed. Now you can also use the free VPNs. To find one, you don't have to do much. Just search for free VPN and you will find something like ProtonVPN. Or you can also download free VPN extension from Google Chrome Store. But be aware that free VPNs use your data to share your data with advertisers, which will later use it to advertise personalized stuff for you after tracking whatever you do using your VPN. So yeah, I would definitely recommend using a paid VPN, but let's use the free version so that I can show you how to start using VPN at all. Let's select Get VPN for free. Let's continue with free. Okay, so let's download this one for Windows x64. Wait until the installer is downloaded on your laptop. Okay, so once the installer is downloaded, let's start installing it. So select your language. So the installation process will be very similar to every VPN. In case of free ones, you will also be able to install additional stuff from the free VPN, which we don't want. Therefore, we have to uncheck these checkboxes. Let's create the desktop shortcuts anyway. Then click install. Wait until the VPN is installed. Okay, so now let's run the VPN. Okay, and so the following steps are pretty obvious. So you just sign into your account, or you create an account, and after that you just select any country from the list, and then your IP address will be protected and will be hidden behind this country's IP address, and you'll be able to access websites that are accessible with this country's IP address. But once again, I highly recommend using paid VPNs, especially the ones that I mentioned. Obviously, this video is not sponsored by anything, but I highly recommend using any of these VPNs because they are simply reliable, and I can tell you from my own experience. And yeah, that's pretty much how you use VPN on this laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.